Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and man, I had this Fitbit Versa for like 3 days now, but I didn't have time to film the opening of it, so I was like, nuts, I'll wait. And it's kind of sucked. Not the Versa, of course, because I haven't opened it yet. But check out that sexy box art stuff. That's right, you can look at your Versa. You can talk to it, apparently. Anyways, let's open her up. Let's see what's inside. The Versa 2. Oh yeah, one thing I want to mention is that apparently it has voice control. Store and play. Fitbit. Oh, Fitbit Pay. That's interesting. Does anyone actually use Fitbit Pay? That is perfect. That's exactly the purple I wanted. Oh, that is... I like that color. The color is going to look good at me, I tell you what, Bobby. All the ladies are going to notice me. Metrosexual. I'm here. I'm not queer. Get used to it. I'm married. Yeah, who'd have thought, eh? Anyways, here we get the charger. Once again, they got a new charger. Can't use the last one. I don't think I can anyways. Wait, maybe I can. This actually looks pretty familiar. No. Too many pins. It's like they like to get you. And now you have to get more chargers. You can't use your last one. Haha, you suck. Kind of thing. Alright, let's see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, we got another band. They like to give you the small and large at the same time. Just in case. Just in case you're huge or small. But let me get this thing working. I'll be back. Wait, what? Check this out. It has Alexa built in. What the heck? That's awesome. Alright, so that's the default face. If you want to talk to Siri, press and hold. Hey Siri, what's 2 plus 2? No internet? Jeez, I don't have internet back here? This thing doesn't throw the best signal, I guess. I've had a little bit of time to get wet. Well, not really get wet. But try this thing out in the real world, and I gotta say, it's really cool. I'm pretty happy with this. The Alexa, I've never actually used it yet, but you can definitely change the faces, all kinds of different faces. You get your beats, you get your steps. I swear to gosh that these new Fitbits get you more steps than the old ones did, or at least they updated it so that they would, because I swear it's easier to get more steps these days. Normally on the weekends I don't get any steps at all. Anyways, of course, you get your exercise, your timer, alarms, but I haven't used any of these, honestly. Maybe I've gone through the settings. I've definitely not used the music. I haven't used Alexa. I'm afraid to add new apps to this because as soon as I did that when I got the original Versa, the battery started dying on it. So out of the fear of that, I never even used it in the original Versa. Original Versa, honestly, it was not good. It did not do me as well as my other Fitbits. These are just some of the Fitbits I have. Actually, I've used a multitude of them. I have about 5 or 6 of them by this point. And so I know my way around it, and the Versa, I was not happy with the Versa, but the Versa 2, very nice. As you can see, I have a Jack Skeleton background. It's really cool because as the time goes by, as the battery goes down, the sun goes down. Sun's getting real low. Oh, jeez, it's 11:02. No, it's not. There, that's better. That's better, and this will go nicely through Christmas and Halloween. I love the way the moon does that. Anyways, also you get the accompanying app. You definitely need the app, ladies and gentlemen. You definitely need the app. It gives you all kinds of information. One of the things I really love about it is the sleep scheduler. Here you can see that I've only been getting 6.5 hours sleep because I have children that wake me up at 6:30 regardless of what time I go to sleep. Ryan, so it means I can't be on Call of Duty all night. God. Anyways. Yeah, you can also log a lot more stuff, like how much water you've had and your food intake. I gave a Fitbit to my friend who was using one of the cheaper Fitbits. Not exactly a Fitbit, sorry, but a cheaper, whatever you want to call it, a fitness band. And he said he liked the new one. He liked the old one, but it kept resetting his settings all the time. Basically, it was cheap. It was good for the money he paid for it, but I guess for the money paid for the one he got from me, which is absolutely nothing, it is also good. Seriously though, if you guys are thinking about doing exercise right, getting all this stuff done right, go with a Fitbit. Don't go with anything else if you have the money. If you don't, maybe someday. I definitely recommend it. As a tech guy, it's very interesting. Fitbit Versa 2 works a lot better than the original Fitbit Versa worked for me, and I'm so happy with that. I'm just so happy with that. I was so worried it was going to be like the original verse. Unfortunately, or fortunately, it is nothing like that. So it's all good. It's all good in the hood, right? Anyways. Oh, I am so white. I can't believe I said that. Like and subscribe, like this kind of stuff, folks. Always appreciated. And take care of each other. It might be all we got.